welcome back to another video. Today we'll be checking out this really old factory. I don't know how long it's been like abandoned for, but it's really old, and I'm pretty sure it had a fire at 1.2. So this is gonna be a quick video as it's not super big.
Why is there so many tires?
Yeah, I don't know.
Holy shit, like white walls.
Yo, that's kind of crazy. I just noticed that. Yo, that's kind of sick.
What is it, old school? Yep.
Are they actually?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, that's kind of sick.
No, wait. These look... What do they say on them? No, these are older. I don't know. These are monkeys.
It's kind of sick. Why are they just left here? Oh, there's some more doors. The thing is, with this place, is there's no offices or nothing really. It's all empty. Where? Oh my. Does this go outside too? Oh, it's boarded. Anything in here? Nothing? Oh, it's like a little bathroom. Look at this old desk. Yo, look at this. A center console.
That's mine, bro.
It's yours?
Yeah.
You left that here?
Yeah.
Hey, look at this. It's all open too.
Is that my desk?
Yeah, that's locked. Let's go check in this thing. Yeah, and then I'll probably be. Look at that thing.
Oh. The artwork's pretty sick.
Yeah, I do like that. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh. What's this?
I have no clue.
Yeah, this coach is a fan.
Look at that fan.
Looks like
It is. It's just a random ceiling fan. Can you open it? Nah. Okay. Okay, guys, this will probably be it as there's nothing else here. So I'll see you guys in the next one.